Welcome to you, my name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. This is one of my Dayle Downloads series where I take a topic, issue or a suggestion from you and I download about it for less than 10 minutes. Today's topic is about YouTubers stealing my ideas. And this one comes about as I've had a couple of people send me DMs about other YouTubers who have started to ask their subscribers to share their bags. So if you're not already aware, back in November of last year when Fendi released their cruise collection for 2023, which included a bunch of 25th anniversary baguettes, as well as that really bright, powerful lime green and purple kind of inspired collection, I got an idea from a subscriber that we could see more of the collection if people submitted their own unboxings. And that became the start of our monthly subscriber unboxing videos, which are starting to really generate momentum. More volume, more different sorts of bags, people getting in front of the camera, narrating their videos. It's fantastic. So a couple of other YouTubers have started, apparently, to do a similar thing. And I was sent a couple of messages saying, well, what do you think about them stealing your idea? And I guess there's a couple of things that I want to mention here. I've always said, and it's the same in my business as it is in YouTube, that there's very rarely any original content. So a lot of people can just Google stuff and get the information. What gives you your point of difference is how you approach it and deliver it and unpack it, analyze it, present it to your audience. That's certainly the case in my business. And I do think it's the case in YouTube. Now, whilst I would love to be the only person doing that on YouTube, I don't know if I was the first person. And it certainly wasn't my idea either. And if I was to look at where I've taken inspiration from other YouTubers, you know, tag videos are permission to make the same video, right? Because the idea of a tag video is we want to hear everyone's different perspective on the same topic. And if you start the tag, you want to get credit for starting the tag and having other YouTubers refer to your original video so that hopefully it brings more traffic to your channel. That's kind of the intent. Then there are videos where you will see a video that you really like and you go, I'd really like to do something like that too. You either contact the content creator and say, hey, listen, how'd you feel about me doing a video on this topic? And absolutely, I will tag you, you know, anything that you want me to omit, not omit, whatever. There's that version. Then there's the just, it's a free-for-all, it's on the internet, it's readily available to me, I'm going to take it. And I'm probably not even going to tag the content creator that came up with that idea or where I got my inspiration from, or I'm going to claim it as my own. Now, obviously, in all of those scenarios, it creates a different kind of environment in YouTube. I'm happy to say that certainly for me, I always am touched when I see that I've been mentioned in somebody's video description because they either got an idea from me or they were influenced by me or they've used one of my videos as inspiration for their video and they're, you know, acknowledging that. I haven't had that for these kind of share my bag videos, I have to say, but am I upset about it? No, I think it's just YouTube, and I appreciate you guys reaching out to me. It tells me that you value my content and value me as a content creator. And I think if you want to support your content creators that you love to watch, the best way you can do that is watch their videos, like their videos with a thumbs up, and subscribe to their channels. I know a lot of people don't really like to have Google accounts and therefore and that's how you can, you know, interact on the YouTube platform and subscribe to channels, but it really makes a huge difference for us if you want to support us, our subscribers and our views and our engagement, literally through a thumbs up, a comment, even better. They're the things that really help us. They help us more than the impact of people taking inspiration from our ideas and not crediting us appropriately. In my opinion, I think it's the active engagement rather than the passive engagement that you know, gives you the feedback that you're doing a good job and that you're adding value to people by the content that you create. So certainly, you know, if you're new to YouTube, or if you're a YouTuber that uses other YouTubers' information, videos, content as a reference or as an inspiration for your videos, it kind of goes without saying, tag them. Just in the description box, put, I've referenced videos from you know, DaylesAddiction in this case, or thanks for the inspiration for this video, or reach out on Instagram and have a conversation about it. Nobody owns any of this content once it's out in the ether. Like, it's very hard to find original content, but it's even harder to find original people. And I think that's what you come to YouTube for. You come for information and you come for the people. So hopefully you can find the absolute hat trick of great information, great person, and a great format, because I think that that is ultimately, you know, what I'm looking for in my YouTube channels. So I'm interested to know your thoughts on this, whether you are a viewer, how you feel about subscribing, thumbs up and commenting. Is that something that you do? Do you understand the impact it has for your creators to take those actions, I suppose, and be quite actively engaged? If you're a YouTuber, how important is it for you to, or do you reference other YouTubers when you talk about them by tagging them in your description box below? I think this is a good conversation to have. These are kind of all the unwritten rules, but they certainly are important things, I think, when we put so much time and effort into making those videos. So again, I take it as a thank you very much for looking out for me. I'm okay with it. I didn't know about it, and I still absolutely value what we do here in this community, and I don't think that other people doing it takes away from what we do. So thank you so much for being here. Think about giving it a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already, if I haven't harped on about how important that is already. I put out long format videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and these ones kind of once a week. So I would love to see you back here for the next one. Until then, ciao.